cupcakes, not normal cupcakes.
Spooky.
What kind of cupcakes?
Spooky.
So they're just like cupcakes?
Yeah, they're just like cupcakes.
That's right. All right, so let's make cupcakes first, okay?
Okay.
So Crystal, you get to make your cupcakes second. Which is number 2.
Yeah.
Assistant, you're going to go first. What are you going to use as your uno numero ingredient?
So to make it look chocolatey, because I'm making chocolate cupcakes in red and orange.
Just like cupcakes.
So I think I'm gonna use these and strawberries to make that, and then that has orange inside of it, and then I'm gonna add a couple other.
Well, let's get to it, okay?
Okay, I need a spoon.
Okay.
Here, I'll grab a spoon.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna use is the glow balls, right?
Yeah.
Let's show people at home what these look like. So these are the Hostess glow balls. They're orange. It's like a little filling. So let's see them. Ooh.
Okay, I think I'm gonna add one.
So she's got.
Wait, do you want me to cut it open with the spoon?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see even.
Oh.
It's like orange on orange. Ooh, look at that. All right, so you added one. Are you gonna add another one?
Sure.
So she's gonna add another one. That would be 1 + 1 is 2.
2.
Right?
Okay. At the bottom, you can see.
Whoa.
Okay.
So she's got 2.
So we have the orange and kind of the chocolatey flavoring because they're chocolate cupcakes with red icing and orange icing. So I have the orange icing down. Now I need to get the red
So you're
icing.
gonna do the strawberries, and the strawberries are healthy too, right?
Right.
We love strawberries.
Okay, that's enough
So you got
strawberries.
strawberries and the glow balls. What's gonna be your next ingredient? We can put them back over here.
What's gonna make it taste good? Maybe some eyeballs.
What? Eyeballs?
And then some red dye, red icing actually.
Okay.
And then I'll think of something next.
All right. So these are the unhealthy ingredients. So you gotta do unhealthy, then you gotta do healthy, right?
Right. So I've got the eyeballs.
Show me the eyeballs. Oh yeah. Add those.
And then after this, I have a secret ingredient that I want to add.
Okay.
Well, actually, I'm going to add water and then the secret ingredient.
All right. She's adding icing to it now. Ooh, look.
Okay.
Good job.
So I'm going to mix that around for... Okay, that's what it looks like mixed around.
Okay. What's your secret ingredient, assistant?
And I got to add water first.
Okay, a little bit of water. Good, good, good. All right.
And then my secret ingredient is, since I'm a witch, I made up this potion that I'm gonna put inside of it, and it's secret ingredients. That way, if Crystal's watching, she won't know what ingredients to add.
Look at that. You got like smoke and stuff going on there.
Okay.
Whoa, that.
You don't want to add too much, or it will go crazy.
Yeah, that'd be too powerful, right?
Too
powerful. Most people cannot handle secret ingredients like that. All right, so what's your next ingredient?
My next ingredient.
Is it just like what?
Okay, when I'm done, I have a dance that I want to do.
Okay.
My winning dance.
You're wanting down.
I think I'll do something healthy, like some carrots and some
Heath bars?
Heath bars.
I don't think Heath bar is what you consider healthy.
And then, oh, wait, is this?
Cotton candy. Mostly cotton though. Well, the candy. Alright, so you're gonna add some carrots, which are healthy. Good job.
Carrots, and then I'm gonna, oh, these bars are already open.
Yeah, they're open.
Oh, it smells good. These are crumbled.
They're really good. That's a lot of them too.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna add that.
You're not gonna add your cotton candy?
No.
Okay.
This isn't cotton candy. Okay.
What's your next ingredient, assistant?
Some worms and then some sprinkles.
Okay. Why don't we not do sprinkles? Maybe let's add some of the blueberries.
Okay. Nerds.
Okay, nerds and blueberries.
Nerds.
I love sprinkles, but you drop them, they make a mess.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh,
okay.
Yeah. You're adding, like some people add pepper. Just kind of go like that. That's how you're doing. So let me see those nerves. Ooh, it says dessert topper right on it. So these are specially designed nerves for desserts.
For desserts.
How can you beat that, sister?
I don't know. Let's mix that around and then we'll add the final ingredient.
Okay. What's the final ingredient?
Okay, that's what it looks
Whoa,
like.
look at that.
Then I'm gonna crush up some strawberries and then it'll be done and ready to put in the oven.
Okay. So what are you adding now, sister?
Blueberries.
Oh, are they blueberries or are they blueberries? Get it?
Yeah. Okay, crush them up. Okay, bing.
Good job, good job.
Okay, I think I'll add a couple more.
Blueberries. Do blueberries actually have ghosts inside of them?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, that'd be kind of crazy too.
Okay.
All right.
Now it's time for my dance.
All right, show us your dance, and then you're gonna put it in the oven to make your cupcakes.
Vote for me.
One more time, assistant.
Oh, okay.
This is her winning cupcake dance right here. Oh yeah, that's good.
Vote for me.
Vote for whoever wins. Okay, now it's time for Crystal.
Yeah.
Up next from the Crystal Palace is
Crystal.
Crystal, and she's gonna make. Are you gonna make spooky cupcakes too?
Yes, even more spookier than assistants.
Oh, you're gonna make them even spookier?
Yeah.
All right. So what's your first ingredient gonna be? Is it gonna be carrots or strawberries or marshmallows or dots or apples? What's it gonna be?
Mine is going to be, let's do some moonberry Twinkies.
Moonberry Twinkies? What are those?
They are like chocolate, but better.
Oh, really? They're limited edition, right?
Yes, they're limited edition.
So one of the things we have to do in our video is whenever we use an unhealthy ingredient, we also have to use a healthy ingredient. Because, you know?
Yeah, because you can't just have a cake with unhealthy ingredients.
Well, sometimes you can. But, you know, that almost looks like it's blue.
Yeah, it kind of does.
All right, so there's one. Do you need to add another one?
Yeah, I think I should add another one because you need to get more taste.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so there's one. And here's number 2.
Because 1 plus 1 is
3.
11. No, 2.
Oh, that makes sense. Man, I should have went to school that day.
Yeah.
I can't believe I didn't. Alright, so she's got 2 of them in there. Alright, so she's gonna stir them up. And then, what's her next ingredient gonna be?
My next ingredient is going to be, let's do some broccoli.
Broccoli. The assistant's favorite vegetable. You know that?
Really?
She eats so much broccoli, we can't even keep it at home.
I love broccoli too.
Whoa, look at that. It's a nice broccoli and Twinkie combination.
This looks delicious.
I don't know how it could be anything other than delicious with so much yummy, yummy broccoli in it.
Spookalicious.
Spookalicious. That's a great new word. Alright, so what should be the next ingredient now that you've got your broccoli and
now I'm
blueberry
going
Twinkie?
to add, let's add some dragon's bread.
Ooh,
My
dragon's
secret
bread.
ingredient. Get some in there.
Wow, look at that. Mr. Dragon, what did you eat? What did you eat, buddy? What is going on? Look at his breath. Alright, so we got dragon breath in there.
Yeah, now I'm going
I don't know if that's a healthy ingredient or unhealthy ingredient.
I don't even know that either. Now I'm going to add this.
What's that?
It's electricity, but
You're gonna electrify it?
yeah, but it's like safe. Like if you eat it, it's just gonna make your hair go poof.
That's right. So this is just a special effect we have.
That's
Whoa, that's enough! Whoa. Alright, so you added your dragon breath, you added your electricity. What else do you have?
I'm going to add some. Let's add some of these sprinkles.
I don't think we need to add any sprinkles to these cupcakes. What else do we have?
Let's add icing.
Icing. Green icing.
It's coming.
The assistant wanted to use sprinkles too, but we decided this is going to be a sprinkle-free video.
I guess.
We don't want any sprinkle mishaps anymore.
No.
Sprinkle mishaps are the worst kind of mishaps you can have. So you had unhealthy frosting. Now what are you going to add?
I'm going to add some healthy blueberries.
Healthy? I love blueberries. They're in my top 5 berries. Really, they are. I like blackberries, blueberries, strawberries,
Raspberries.
and boysenberries.
What is that?
It's a boysenberry. Well, I know what, maybe it's mulberries. I like mulberries too.
Oh, okay.
And apples. Apples are kind of a big berry, aren't they?
Yeah.
I don't think they're actually berries. What do you have there? Speaking of berries.
Eyeballs.
What is it? Creepy eyeballs. Oh, those are gumballs, right?
Yeah.
That's one of my top 5 favorite balls. I like baseballs, footballs, basketballs, and gumballs.
Wait, that's all sports except this. Basketball is a sport, football is a sport, but eyeballs? I didn't know that was a sport.
Well, no, they're gumballs.
Okay.
I like eyeballs too. That's another good one. All right, so let's see. You got your eyeballs in there.
Yeah.
So look at that. Oh yeah, look at all that yummy broccoli and the gumball eyeball, and then the Twinkie Moon behind, and it's all been electrified. All right, you have any more ingredients you need to add?
I have a song and a dance.
You got a song and a dance. All right, let's show me.
I like cupcakes, big cupcakes, and chunky cupcakes.
Whoa, that's a good one. Oh man, it's gonna be a big competition to see who has a better cupcakes and dances, right?
Yeah.
All right, Crystal, we're gonna see who has the best cupcakes, okay?
Okay.
Let's get them going. Okay, so tell us about your cupcake creations.
Okay, so I used the strawberries for the red icing and the cake things for the orange, and I guess I could have used the carrots as well. And then I decorated with carrots coming out of it and a strawberry on the back with a tombstone.
Oh yeah, you got little tombstones
and a bunch of things on top.
Wow, so those are the assistants' yummy looking cupcakes.
And at the end, me and Crystal will do a dancing battle.
Okay, so now speaking of Crystal, she's right here. All right, will you show us your cupcakes?
Sure. So I have yellow and orange icing and with chocolate on it, and I got strawberries. I have the gummy worms, and I have like tombstones, bones, the red bones, the skulls.
Whoa.
It's very cool, and I sprinkled a little of chocolate.
So we've got 2 competing cupcakes.
Yes.
I wonder which one people is going to like better.
Mine.
Crystal's or the assistant?
Now the dance battle, and you also have to vote on that.
All right, so let's see this dance battle, okay?
Okay, so we have to go head to head.
Head to head.
Ready? Set.
Go.
Wait. We're doing it at the same time.
All right, I'll do this. On your mark, get set.
Go.
Oh, go.
Vote for me. Wait.
That was a good job. Well, I'm moving to the better job dancing or making cupcakes. People at home, what do you think? Parents, this is a pretty tough one to decide, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let us know and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Vote for me.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Hey, don't forget to check out this next one. I think you're really going to like it. And also, ask your parents to subscribe to The Engineering Family. Thanks. Bye.